Hi everybody. Today we will explore the Framer AI. Okay? But first of all, let me just briefly describe you that what is the Framer. So Framer is basically the web builder that we can use to build the website without even writing the code. Okay? So the AI is actually the new feature or the new update of the Framer that we are going to explore in this tutorial. Alright, so let's just write down the framer on the Google and you will get the framer.com. Okay, so we have to go inside the framer.com. So let's just click on it. Alright, so as you can see here, a great looking website, and you can see the headline here: start your dream website with the AI, zero code and the minimum speed. Okay, so let's just log in into our framer account. Okay, so the sign up process is actually really simple. You can actually link your Google account with it. So I'm gonna simply connect my Google account with the framer. Alright, so I have logged in into my framer account. That is pretty easy. You can simply sign up with your Gmail account or the email. So I will actually click on the new here. And now we will build the website using Framer AI. Okay, so I have to give it a prompt here. So as you can see here, that the prompt is actually giving us the suggestion. Okay, so let's just go with this simple prompt right now. Alright, so as you can see here, it is actually generating the web page here. That is pretty cool. Alright, so as you can see here that our web page is ready. So let me just zoom to the feed and you will be able to see all of our website. Alright, so this is how we can actually build the website with the Framer AI in seconds. Alright, so let's just explore the other prompt examples as well. So I will simply click on the regenerate. So let's remove this. And now you can see that we have another sample prompt. So let's just start with this again, and it will start building the web page. It would be ready in around 30 seconds. Alright, so our second web page is ready within a minute. So as you can see, the old design here, it is all AI generated. Okay, so this is how we can use the Framer AI to generate the web pages just by giving a simple descriptive prompt. Alright, so now I will just simply come up with my custom prompt here. Okay, so let me just delete this, zoom it in a bit. So let's just write down, I have startup named VB. We sell SEO services. Want you to build a simple and modern landing page for my business. Okay, in the prompt you just have to give it a generic description of your product, whatever it is, and it will start building the web page for your business. So let's just click on the start and it will start building the web page for my business. Okay, so let's just zoom it out. Alright, so as you can see here, it actually built a website for my business. Okay, so it actually built it in the three different screens: for the desktop, for the tablet and the phone. So let's just click on the desktop. Alright, so let me just zoom it in a bit. Alright, so as you can see here, the web page of my business, so it actually built this within the seconds, and that is looking pretty good. Okay, so let's just customize our design if we wanted to. So how can we do that? You just have to select the design. Okay, and if you want to customize the design, you can simply customize the design from here in the themes. If you want to customize the color themes, you can do it from here. Okay, all right, as you can see here. Okay, so I think this looks perfect, so I will simply go with this, and you can even shuffle or change the fonts from here as well. Okay, so this looks perfect. Okay, and this is how you can customize the theme of your web page. Okay, you can customize the colors, you can customize the fonts. Okay, so now let me just zoom it in a bit. And now you can see here this paragraph is actually generated by the AI. But if you are not happy with the paragraph here, you can simply change it or regenerate it just by clicking on this star button, and it would actually regenerate the paragraph again. You can do it until you get your desired result. Okay, so this is how you can use the AI to write a better copywriting. Okay, so now if you want to so if you want to customize a specific part of the website or the design, you can simply do it just by clicking that specific part, and you can just simply shuffle the colors or the theme colors from here. So as you can see here, this is how you can actually customize a particular section of your web page. All right, so let me just, I would like to give it a white color, that will look fine. And all right, so that looks perfect, I think. Okay, so that is looking perfect. Okay, so this is how you can actually customize a specific part of your web page. And you can even add a second page to your website. Okay, so how can we do that? You're gonna simply click on the insert and start with the AI. We will simply write down build contact us page. Okay, so let's just start building, and it will generate the contact us page for our business. Alright, so as you can see here, we have built our contact us page for our business, okay, within the seconds. Okay, so this is how we can actually use the Framer AI to build the website within the seconds, and you can even customize this just to match the theme of our homepage. Alright, so this is how we can actually use the Framer AI to build the website within the seconds. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.